In the world of testing, we use Selenium's art. Scripts in Java, Python, or C# start. Automating web apps with every scar, bringing us closer, no matter how far. Cross-browser testing, Chrome to Edge. Selenium's there on every pledge, from Windows to Mac, Linux as well. Testing across platforms, breaking the shell. Automation's the name, repetitive tasks we slay, filling out forms day after day. Regression testing, our old friend, with Selenium by our side, will never bend. Test coverage, broad edge cases we seek. The Selenium's power at peak. Integration with frameworks, seamless and neat. Testing made easy, victory sweet. Open source, love community, strong developers unite. In this testing song, multiple languages, choose what you like. With Selenium, testing's a high scalability with grid test on demand. Selenium's reach across the